during the demonetization, then it continued during the GST issue, and in the last couple of years it seemed to be a trend which we have noticed over the years. The present tourism minister just does not want to meet us. The state is full of garbage, the beaches are filthy, and it's because of this reason that we are losing a lot of footfalls. The GST rates in Goa, in India, are one of the highest. We have made repeated requests. Mr. Mohammed Goodino has taken up our issue at the GST Council, but unfortunately all our pleas have fallen on deaf ears, and the digging mess, sewerage work and widening of roads, construction of bridges is creating inconveniences and is creating bottlenecks. High taxi fare and failure of the government to allow app-based aggregators and meters from being implemented has been one of the major issues that are affecting the tourism in the state. There is need to provide incentives to charters like waiver of airport user development fee, parking charges, landing charges, as the government and the airport authority needs to realize that these fees and charges are more than made up by the revenue generated by the tourism.